In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add Snake Game to your Shopify store in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Log into your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store and then Themes. Step 2. Click Edit Code on your current theme. Step 3. Add a new file under Assets and name it snake-game.js. Paste the JavaScript code for the Snake Game. Step 4. In your theme.liquid or a specific page template, add this element where the game will appear. Step 5. Link the JavaScript file by adding this code in your code. Step 6. Save and refresh your store. The Snake Game should now appear where you place the canvas. Step 7. Customize the size, colors, or controls to match your store's branding. And that's how you add Snake Game to your Shopify store. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.